Loudoun County, everybody.
I had a viewer who was just saying, my dogs are going crazy right now with
Yeah,
the storm.
sure.
She's in Eufaula.
Yeah, we're seeing some really heavy rain, some frequent lightning, and also the potential for some gusty winds. There's our West Knoxville camera this morning. Notice now that we're dealing with some rain and again some frequent lightning out there. So if you don't have to be outside right now, try not to be. I mentioned it earlier. If you've got to take kids to the bus stop, make sure that they're staying inside as long as possible because these storms are pretty strong. I want to show you Storm Tracker 6 radar and kind of give you an exact idea of where this severe thunderstorm warning is. There's that line of storms that's been moving through over the past hour. Let's zoom in on that severe thunderstorm warning. So again, it is going to continue until about 6:30 this morning. Torrential rainfall, seeing that near Oak Ridge and Kingston, all the way up towards Maynardville. Now, this thunderstorm warning does include downtown Knoxville, although right now downtown we haven't seen the heavy rain just yet. Of course, they issued it in advance of that heavy rain and gusty wind potential. Wind gusts 60 miles per hour or greater are going to be possible. We may also deal with some quarter-size hail. Now, this line of storms is moving pretty fast, so I am expecting that this is going to be out of here by about 6:30 because now we're starting to see that leading edge pushing into downtown Knoxville. If this continues to hold steady, they may need to expand that severe thunderstorm warning. And the next places that would be impacted would be portions of Sevier County closer towards Sevierville. Maryville, you are under that severe thunderstorm warning. You're kind of clipped by it right now. They've really highlighted this middle portion of this line of storms as this is where we've been seeing the strongest wind potential. In addition, though, we do have some stronger thunderstorms elsewhere as well, especially closer towards the Tri-Cities, Greene County, up into Rogersville, and also back near Tazewell and Maynardville. Heavy rainfall and frequent lightning. This is going to be our main brunt of the storms this morning. Closer to sunrise, we'll start to see things taper off. But again, we still have that active severe thunderstorm warning for a lot of the valley areas, including Knoxville, portions of Blount County and Loudoun County there as well. So please give yourself some extra time. And if you don't have to be outdoors this morning, or if you can delay heading out to work or school for at least the next half an hour for those areas, that is recommended as you get ready to kind of leave your home this morning. 68 degrees right now in Knoxville, 63 in Oneida, 67 in Kingston, and 65 in Tellico Plains. Looking again at that radar, you can see just how fast kind of these storms are pushing through. They're really going to be moving into portions of the valley and then eventually the Smokies over the next half an hour to hour or so. I want to kind of track this out for you. Bell Bridge there at about 5:49 a.m., Broad Acres at about 5:50 a.m., and then seeing this impacting portions of places like Grace Christian Academy also at about 5:50 a.m. this morning. The bigger picture doesn't show much behind this. Past this line of storms, we're on the drier side, but we'll still hold on to plenty of cloud cover throughout the afternoon hours. Isolated opportunity for another thunderstorm to pop up late today, but for most areas, this is going to be the brunt of that rain. Notice by lunchtime, we're already into the mid-70s. In fact, we're up to 78 degrees by about 3 o'clock this afternoon. Some sunshine possible late today, depending on where you're located. Highs still managed to be above average. 82 in Alcoa, 77 in Sevierville, and 80 your forecast high in Dandridge. The humidity is going to stay elevated at times today, but it's lower for your Wednesday and Thursday as we see some drier conditions. And then we'll notice that spike in our humidity values just in time for the end of the week into the weekend as we see another opportunity for some showers and storms. This afternoon, though, 82s are high. Best rain chance really right now throughout the next half an hour to hour or so. Overnight tonight, we'll drop down to 58 degrees with mainly clear skies. Sunny and dry for your Wednesday, still on the warm side in the low 80s. Over the next couple days, rain chances return late Friday and Saturday with a better chance for some thunderstorms Sunday afternoon.